Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change GIF speed in TuneScale AceMovi. Drag the GIF picture onto the timeline, then cut out the parts you want to change the speed. Right-click on it, choose speed and duration, and then drag the slider left or right to change the speed. You can change the speed of different parts of the GIF. When you're finished changing the speed, click Export and save the project as a GIF file. And that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.